What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Pursuit of Destiny podcast. It's me, Rickey Jones Jr., back again for yet another episode. And on this one, we will be talking about how we can enjoy life as it pertains to our businesses. And what I did do was rewrite the affirmation with a business mindset. Okay, so listen to the remix and then we'll dive into it. It goes like this: others enjoy my company every day. My business intentionally finds something we can celebrate about us every day. Great things happen to us and our employees because of us. My business enjoys and encourages a good life. Okay, great people. So now let's go ahead and dive into it. But before I do, I want to say subscribe, follow, and all those various things depending on how you're listening or watching this or podcast, because we are on YouTube. We also on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Google, Anchor, and all the other situations. So we're there. Wherever you are, lock in. Tune in. All right. So with your business, right, what you want to do, and here's the main thing that I want to emphasize, is that you want to create an environment where people enjoy working. Create an environment where people enjoy working. And I say it that way, and I say it like that with the idea of environment, because that can happen and be, encouraged in various ways. Okay, it could be the way in which you all are set up. If you're still operating within a facility, it could be the way you all are set up, the way people are oriented, the layout. It could be the music that is taking place in your office facility. It could be even the furniture that you have people using in and within your facility. It could be if you have people working from home. How is that interaction? What type services are you using to communicate, like the Google calendars, or which way are you doing your video situation? Is it Zoom? Is it Google Meet? It's so many elements that go into having the right environment. And if you want information or ways in which to make it enjoyable, definitely lock in. You can email us and things like that. However, find a way to make it enjoyable. It could be culture, right? Culture is one of those big words that are used right now as it pertains to businesses, companies, and the overall aura and vibe that people can feel, the actual feeling of how companies operate within their companies and their employees interact with that. How is your culture? What is your culture? What is the mantra? What is the mission statement that you have as your business that then fuels the overall culture that you have day by day? What does that feel like? I can even throw out Google and things like that. They have fun type environments where people enjoy going into there. They enjoy the interactions that they get. They enjoy the technology that they see. They enjoy the various spaces. They have little areas where you can take a nap. They have fun and playful areas where you can play, pool and things like that, foosball and video game sections. What is it that you have or can do to make people enjoy coming there each and every day? How is your break room? Okay. How is your break room? That's a question, right? These are just various things that adds to the overall enjoyment of your environment, right? So how are those things? But even from there, what you can do beyond that, right? So you have those notes, and we can dive into it personally if necessary pertaining to your company. But beyond that, highlight when people achieve different goals, highlight when people complete different projects. We as adults, right, because I'm sure you're hiring and you have hired adults for your company, we enjoy recognitions, we enjoy celebrations, which is why even in pro sports there are trophies given to individuals who are the best. For people who do win, they are given trophies, rings are still given. People enjoy those things, right? Because if they didn't, they could just give them a bonus and give them hey, you all are champions, and call it a day. We can clap them off as champions and give them a bonus. But no, people enjoy those rings. People enjoy those trophies. People enjoy being celebrated and recognized, one, as making achievements, but two, as being the best. And so should you bring that environment and overall vibe and culture within your business itself, because it will go a long way when you recognize people, when you set up incentive programs and things like that. People have something to look forward to. People have something to strive towards. People have something that they know will come their way because of the extra mile that they may take, right? Because you may get extra activity. You may get people to push past the norm, allow for people to even strive to learn more so that they can do more for your overall company, business, and bottom line, because they know something celebratory is on the other end. And honestly, even with that, I even want to share, like, sometimes people only get recognition from the job that they have, from the company that you employ them at. That may be their only point of recognition. And as humans, we know how valuable recognition is. We know how valuable being appreciated is. I mean, on social media, that's why you have likes. That's why you're able to heart things on YouTube. That's why you're able to thumbs up and things like that, because it's known that people love to be recognized. People love to be encouraged. People love to know that other people enjoy the different things that they do, that they post, that they are a part of. And it does not stop when they clock in or when they start working for you. No, they enjoy being recognized as well. So whatever you choose to do, however you choose to do it, it could be gift cards, it could be a trophy that's passed around, it could be a medallion that's given, it could be a coin that's given, it could be so many various things that allows for people to be recognized and known as a star employee, as employee of the month, as the person that has completed the most projects this month, or the people or the person that is consistently knocking out projects and achieving and doing things right. Like, bonuses are great. However, with bonuses, recognitions are as valuable, to some, right? Some people, I don't even want to be recognized. Just give me my money, or I'm going to just do my job because I'm employed to do my job. Okay, cool. That's fine. Good worker, I thank you. However, overall, encouraging and making for an enjoyable environment, that is the goal for everybody, and not singly looking at one person that is the star employee in this case, right? But not only that, but highlighting people. However, I read and saw and even heard, because I read out loud. But with that, I saw how Home Depot knows how when you take care of the employees will take care of the customers, and the customers will take care of the company. I'm going to run that back. He, the founder, one of the founders of Home Depot, said that when you take care of the employees will take care of the customers, and the customers will take care of the company, right? So he did like a reversal, because usually it is that the company takes care of the customers because the customers are always right, despite what the employee says or how the employee feels about the circumstance. However, new thought that I'm dropping with you all here today. When you take care of your employees will take care of your customers, your clients, or for those that are, taking part of your business. And when they do so, the customers, the clients, the people that are involved with you will take care of the company. Okay, they'll continue to buy, they'll continue to use your service, they'll tell the people about who you are, and what you have for them because of the experience that they have. So again, it just goes to say it another way of how you should take care of your employees, right? We're looking to have an enjoyable space. We're looking to having an enjoyable environment where people are excited about coming into work. People are excited about the things that they get to do, excited about the achievements that they get to be a part of, and encouraged by the impact that they get to make because of the things that they get to do. That could be a thing, right? Let me throw that out there. How many of your employees know the impact that they make because of the job that they do? Because that can go a long way. Yes, they're here to achieve these goals, these things. These are your things that you do, the things that we need for you to accomplish, blah, 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 blah. However, do you know the impact that these markers, these things, these responsibilities make? Do they? Do they? Even showing them that could even inspire them, encourage them, and make them enjoy what they do even that much more, because we as people do love to have impact, and knowing the impact that we make could go yet another long way. Okay, so all this around the idea of enjoying our workplace. Okay, but last but not least, I want to say excitement and enjoyment. Well, not last but not least, but one of the last 2 points is enjoyment starts within. When your employees, when your company enjoy, when you as a CEO or you as an employer, supervisor, whomever you are listening or watching this podcast, when you are excited about each and every day, it will be infectious to others that come in contact with you. So when I'm walking through Home Depot and I meet a employee or somebody there in the, the orange apron, when I meet somebody that's excited, I'm excited because I know I'm about to get good customer service. I know that they're about to show me what's right and allow me and help me to get to where I want to be and what I want to do. And it's totally different when I meet somebody that I'm like, hey, can you help? Yeah, what do you need? I'm already like reserved. I'm already sketchy. Like, oh man, is she or he, are they gonna tell me the right thing? Are they gonna go the extra mile to even help me to understand what it is that they're pointing me to? Like, all those things matter. But when you have enjoyment and excitement within your company, it will spill out through your employees and then onto your customers. And hey, the right person at Home Depot can sell me 2 things when I need 1. And I'll be excited about those 2 things because of the possibility of needing that extra thing, right? Because I've been there before. Somebody sold me something and I was like, oh yeah. He was like, hey, you probably need this grease too. Now I was just thinking, yeah, I might need the grease too. Realizing I didn't need the grease, but I didn't take it back, right? Because I enjoyed it. I was like, cool, this was what it was. But nonetheless, all that to say, if you want your customers to be excited, excite your employees first. Excitement and enjoyment comes from within and then spews out. And last but not least, your business will be better today when your employees enjoy each and every day. Again, your business will be better today when your employees, when you as the employer enjoy each and every day. Okay, so take it one day at a time. Don't look at it as this big thing, or you could even look at it weekly or monthly. Don't look at it so large that you miss the importance of each and every day. Because when you win the day, you win the week. When you win the week, you win the month. And as you win the months, you win the year. And as you win the years, you win the lifetime of the business, until you may want to sell it, you may want to give it, you may want to pass it down to other individuals. However, taking part in each and every day, enjoying each and every day, doing the right things each and every day for your employees will help for the life to come of that business and the legacy and impact that it will make, not only locally of where you are, but internationally into where you are going. So with all those things being considered, ladies and gentlemen, I'm excited about the company and the businesses flourishing that you all have. I'm excited about the employees, the supervisors, the CEOs and such that are listening to this, watching this, and are even people that are looking to be business owners that are watching this, listening to this, and excited about knowing how to improve upon what is, or how to make something great for things to come. So with that being said, I love you all. I appreciate you all. Make sure you tap in, tune in, subscribe, all those various things that you can do wherever you are listening or watching from. I appreciate you all. And until next time, don't just live life daily, but pursue destiny, even within your business. All right, y'all. Peace.